University of the Philippines heated up just in the right time as it debuted in the UAAP season 81 in style, scoring an 87-58 win over University of the East on Saturday at the Mall of Asia Arena. Juan Gomez de Liano led the way for the Maroons as he joined hands with Jun Manzo in leading the second-half surge after a strong resistance from the Red Warriors in the first half. With the game tied at 33 after 2 quarters, the lightning-quick backcourt tandem combined for 20 in the second half to leave the Red Warriors in the dust. "We know what to do regardless, if it's man or zone. There's nothing out there that we haven't prepared for," said University of the Philippines head coach Bo Perasol. "But this is just the start. I'm happy to get this win, and we can capitalize with the momentum we got," he added. Gomez de Liano finished with 16 points, 7 rebounds and 6 assists, while Manzo scored all of his 13 points in the second half. Bright Acuity was as good as advertised, finishing with 15 points and 18 rebounds in his first official game in a Fighting Maroon jersey. Paul Desiderio bucked a bad shooting day as he snagged a double-double of 12 points and 10 boards. Javi Gomez de Liano chipped in 10 off the bench as the Maroons came away with the biggest opening day blowout since 2014, when their roles were reversed and the Red Warriors won by 28. Alvin Paseo led the Red Warriors with 14 points but was limited to just 3 points in the final 2 quarters. The scores: UP 87, Gomez de Liano Ju 16, Acuity 15, Manzo 13, Desiderio 12, Gomez de Liano Ja 10, Vito 7, Murrell 6, Lim 2, Tungcab 2, Prado 2, Gazam 2, Dario 0, Spencer 0, Jabanetta 0, Espinola 0, Longa 0. UE 58, Paseo 14, Antiporta 9, Beltran 8, Manalang 6, Varilla 6, Bartolom 4, Maloles 4, Color 3, Connor 2, Hakuno 2, Gallardo 0, Lackup 0,